One example of this was the original Claude Code. When I first started working on it, this was like a year and a half, 2 years ago, something like that. This was like Sonnet 3.5. At the time, that was an incredible coding model. That was like the best coding model that exists. Nowadays, it's a pretty terrible coding model by modern standards. But I think that was like the first great coding model that we built as Anthropic. And at the time, if you looked at the coding products of the time, what were they doing? They were doing like single line autocomplete. They were doing sometimes multi-line autocomplete. That was sort of a new idea. They were doing chat. So you can talk to the agent, but it wasn't write access. You could only read. You could ask about the code base. And so the feeling was that there wasn't really a product that was fully eliciting the model's capability to write entire functions at a time, entire files at a time. At the time, it wasn't entire features. We weren't there yet, but probably entire files. That was the level of capability at the time. And so the idea with Claude Code was, all right, we think the model can probably do this. What if we get rid of all the scaffolding and just give the model the simplest possible harness so it can write an entire file at a time and build an entire feature? And that was kind of it. Like, that was the product overhang.